Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to name a project in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music, video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. And in the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and name a project in Bandlab. So naming your project in Bandlab is a quick and easy. And here's how you can do it. First of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. And after that, go to your library and open the project you want to name. So you can click on library here, find the project and open it. At the top of the project screen, you'll see a field labeled project name. Click on it and enter your desired name for the project. After that, press enter or click away to save the name. Your project will then be saved with the new name that you have, of course, got and chose. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.